everybody, welcome back to another lesson in my Level 3 Technique and Performance course within the Beginner Piano course for solo learners. In this video, we're going to learn Czerny's Italian tune from 100 Recreations, number 91. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already done so, and if you like what you see, give this video a thumbs up. Also, I offer online piano lessons if you're looking for one. There's going to be information below. And if you'd like to get this Level 3 Technique and Performance book, links will be below too. So this piece is really working on three things. One is staccato blocked chords in the left hand, how to play them gently. The second one is grace notes in the right hand, so in the melody, fast grace notes. And the third one is dotted rhythms, so a dotted eighth followed by a 16th note, or dotted quaver followed by a semiquaver. Both of these really tie in with the chapters in the lesson book, which deal with grace notes, and the chapter about 16th notes and dotted notes. Let's have a look at the first section, which is the first 8 bars until the repeat sign. We are in F major, so every B is going to be B flat, and we are in 4/4, so 4 quarter note beats in every bar. We're going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The tempo is allegro, so fairly fast, but again, tempo should be always your last worry. Try to get the technical part and the musical part right, and then you can worry about tempo. The left hand has a few chords. We have an F major chord, 1, 3, 5. Then we have a C7 chord, E, B flat, C, 1, 2, 5. Then back to F, and then down to a C, E, which is a C major chord in bar 4. In bar 5, we come back to an F major chord, then a C7 again, then F major, and then a wider position C7, C, E, B flat, and F. Now the chords need to be staccato. 2 things. You need to round your hands, keep the wrist really, really loose and soft so it doesn't tense up. And you have to make sure that you sync into the 3 notes perfectly together so you get a clean, accurate sound. And the staccatos need to be light, played with the fingertip. So if you hear anything like this, arpeggiated kind of lousy chords, don't do that. Concentrate, the 3 notes sync in at the same time. Accuracy. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, C7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to F, 1, 2, 3, down to the C, 1, 2, 3, 4. Back to the F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, F, 2, C7, 4, C7, and now here we have a legato. So connect as best as you can and try to create the legato between the last 2 chords. So as you can see, my wrist is making kind of a wavy motion here, and that means that it's soft and not restricted in any manner. If you feel like your wrist is moving like this, where it's almost like a brick, then you need to stop and you need to relax the wrist and allow it to move. Now the right hand is where it gets more interesting. We have the grace notes and the dotted notes. The grace notes are going to be very quick. The little notes are called grace notes or acciacaturas, and they are crossed out because we don't count them. We play them extremely quickly and we rest on the main note, on the big note. So if you think about it, G sharp is the grace note and A is the main note. I'm not going to do it like this or together. I'm going to go G sharp and A and resting on the A. Now if I do it fast, so really quickly and resting on the A and releasing the G sharp. Very important, do not hold on to the grace note. I hear that very often, do not hold on to it. Release it and the main note. Now the main note is a staccato, so we have to bounce up on that one too, so that's how it's gonna go. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So on the half notes we have these accents because that's the strong one. The first one is G sharp A, the second one is F sharp to G. Always a semitone lower or a half step. Once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we have these dotted notes. Now, really important that the dotted notes, the groups of 2 fit into one beat. And you can go like this, long, short, long, short, long. So bam, ba bam, ba bam, ba bam, ba bam. So really important to make the first note 3 times longer than the second, so a very sharp rhythm. Pam, pa pam, pa pam, pa pam. Because if you don't make it long enough, the first note is going to sound like a jazz swing, and you don't want that. You want these rhythms to be very sharp. So long, short, long. Okay? So number 2 on the F, 1, B flat, another grace note, and G. Now if I go in tempo, I need to do a little crescendo and a diminuendo as I come down. Second line, bar 5. Exact same as the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. And here we have a longer grace note. So going up on the scale again. And the G, and then coming down to the F. So A, G, F. Hands together, keeping the left hand chords very gentle. 1, 2, 3, 4. C7, F chord, second line, C7, F, and now a C7, and legato. So I'm going to join my chord with the F, and the ornament is going to come before. Second section, bar 9. A very similar tune, but we're going to have something else in the right hand. So let's start with the left. We come down to the C major chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then an F major in second inversion, C, F, E. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now here we have a more difficult passage where we have quite a few chords. C major, F major, B flat, chromatic, C, G7, C. So once again, C major, F, B flat D, B natural, C, G7, and C. Going on to bar 13, F major, 1, 2, 3, 4, down to the B flat chord, either 1, 3, 5 or 1, 2, 4, whichever feels more comfortable. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then F major in second inversion, 1, 2, C7, 1, and the legato, and there we are. Right hand is going to start on F sharp G, 1, 2, 3, 4, G sharp, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have a crescendo, so getting louder. And now we're going to have 2 note slurs and repeated notes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. And it's really important to articulate these 2 note slurs so they feel separated from each other. You can start on 4 and then 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2. So C, B, B, A, G, and so on. Lift, lift, C, and coming up, number 1 on the G, really important because we need number 2 for the G sharp. So 1, and just really practice this thumb crossing here. Bum, ba-da-da-da, and then back to, and now A to B flat, a different kind of grace note, D, and coming down in dotted notes, same as the previous one, but finishing on the tonic here. So hands together, F sharp and C chord, F chord, and now the difficult part very slowly, 1, 2, C, G7, C, and back to F, B flat, coming down, C7, and legato, and there we are. So quite difficult articulation in this piece, in both hands, not just the left but the right. We have these difficult dotted rhythms, and we also have the grace notes, which need to be very articulate, very clean, and still sounding very musical. It has a nice tune, but it's an exercise for three things, as I mentioned, so take it in small sections and work on it very slowly, and only start increasing the speed when you feel very comfortable at a slower speed.